How to order on Subway app. So the very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application Subway and make sure you are logged into your specific account. In this page, you'll get to see the menu of the food. Head over to the food or the drink that you want to buy. Let me head over to drinks. Now select the specific drink. Select the size and the quantity of the drink. And once you are done, tap on Add to Order. Head over to Checkout at the bottom. Select your order and then tap on Secure Checkout. Tap on Continue. Now in this page, enter your detailed informations and then tap on Order Time and Payment. Tap on Payment on Receipt. Tap on Place Order. And there you go, your order has been made successfully. Now within some time, you'll receive the order in your specific address and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can order on Subway. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.